Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the M4 Maths YouTube channel. Today we are going to see practice set 3.3 of arithmetic progressions. In 3.3 we are going to use the formula Sn. Sn, what is the formula? I will tell you. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which we are going to use here, okay, in which S stands for sum of how many terms? N terms. Sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If I am writing yes 20, then how will you be reading it? Sum of first 20 terms. Sum of first 20 terms. If I am writing yes 50, sum of first 50 terms. If I am writing yes 75, then sum of first 75 terms. If I am writing SP, sum of first P terms. Achha, we have one more formula for Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2. 2a, can I write 2a as a plus a? A plus a is nothing but the 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This part is the formula for tn. As you can observe, instead of it I can substitute the tn. Mostly we use the tn for the last term. If you know the first and last term, so Sn can also be written as a plus its formula is tn. This is the general formula which is applicable to each and every kind of problem, and this is the special formula. If you know the first term and the last term and the number of terms, then you can use this formula and find the answer. Okay, so these are the two formulas for Sn. So with the help of them we are going to solve the very first example of this exercise. If a is equals to 6, d is equals to 3, then S27 is equal to what, right? So I am solving that problem. Here what we have here, we have a is equals to 6, d is equals to 3, S27 is equal to what? Now what you can write? We know. What we know, will you tell me? What we want to find? Sum of 27 terms. Sum of 27. We know the first term, we know the common difference. Directly we can use the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula we know. What we want to find? S27. 27 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a. What is a? 6. Plus n. What is n? 27 minus 1 into d. 3. Bracket close. We have just substituted the values. Now what we have to do? Yes, 27 is equals to 27 by 2 as it is into 12 plus 26 into 3, 78 over. That's it. Now yes 27, here I will write yes 27 is equal to 27 by 2 into 90. 2 ones are 245s are. Yes 27 is equals to 27 into 45. Yes 27 is equals to, what is their product? 1215. So you can write your statement as the sum of yes 27 or sum of 27 terms of the given arithmetic progression is 1215. Therefore, that is the final answer. Okay. So friends, we are going to solve second question of this exercise, in which they are asking find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Sum of first 123. How many numbers to be added together? 123 numbers to be added together. Out of which one is the first? 2. Second, 4. Third, 6. Means what is the common difference? As they are multiple of 2, definitely the common difference is 2. So here we have to write or the list of even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash, where a is equals to 2, d is also equal to 2. How many terms to be added together? How many terms to be added together? 123. Then what they are asking, sum of 123 terms is equal to what? Right? What will help you out here? If you know the first term and the common difference, you can find the sum of required number of terms, as we have seen in the first example. So here we know what we know. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Okay? Then we just have to substitute the values. I will write rest part there. S123 is equal to n, I change to the 123. So 123 by 2 into 2 into a, which is 6, plus n minus 1. A is 6, no sorry, a is 2. A is 2. The first example was there in my mind. So 2a plus n, 123 minus 1 into d. That's it. Now S123 is equals to 123 by 2 into the bracket 4 plus 122 into 2, 244. S123, 123 by 2 into 248. We can cancel 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are. Yes, 123 is equals to 123 into 124. And the product of them is 152. We have to find out 1 2 4 1 2 3 3 4 7 3 4 6 7 3 4 3 2 4 8 4 2 and then 1 2 4 2 5 4 4 8 11 12 then 5 and then 1 as it is 15252. So the sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15252. This is what you have to write here in your answer statement. Okay? Friends, now we are going to solve third question, in which they are asking us to find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So in our answer we have to write at first the list of even numbers between 1 to 350 is. What is the list of it? 2, 4, 6, dash dash dash. Between, they are using the word between. If they use the word from 1 to 350, then 350 can be included into it. But as they are using between, 350 should not be included into it. Between 1 to 350, 1 is not included and that last term is also not included. So which one is the last even number between them? 348. As per this one, what we can write here? A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2. How many numbers are there? Do we know? We don't know. So we want to find the number of terms there first of all. N is equals to what? Acha, before that, do we know Tn? Last term 348. We want to find the number of terms. So what is it? N is equals to what? With the help of Tn formula, we can find the number of terms. Okay? So here we know Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is it. Here I will write rest of the part. Tn. What is the value of Tn? 348. What is the value of a? 2 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into d. We have just only substituted the values which we know. Now this plus 2 will come to the left and minus 2, 346, which is equals to. This multiplication 2 will be in the division. I sent plus 2 to the minus and into 2 to the division. N minus 1 will remain to the right. 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 sevens are 14, 0 remain, 2 threes are 6. N minus 1 is equals to 173. N is equals to 174. How many such terms are there? 174. Now you understood that we need to find sum of 174 terms. So here you can write now S174 is equal to what? Sn is equals to n by 2. You can use second formula also if you want to use. I will use it now. N by 2 into a plus Tn. Sn, how many terms to be added together? Yes, 174. 174 by 2. What is the a? 2. What is the Tn? Tn is the last one, 348. So S174 is equals to 174 into, what is it? 350 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and it is 175. Yes, 174 is equal to, what is the product? We have to find 174 into 175. 5 4 70, 35, 37, 1 8, 7 4 78, 49, 51, and 7 7 12. And then 170, 2 has 0, 5, 10, 14, 9, 10, and it is 3, 3, 0. So, one more time I want you to observe it. We wanted to find number of terms, so we use the Tn formula. We found the number of terms to be added together. Now we know the first term, now we know the number of terms to be added together, we know the last term. On the basis of that, we decided to use this formula. We used and we found the sum of the even natural numbers between 1 to 350. How much it is? 30450. Now we are going to discuss fourth question. And in this question what they are saying, 19th term is 52, 30th term is 128. Then find the sum of first 56 terms. It is little bit different kind of question. Now you can see 19th term is 52, means it is a plus 18d. It is a plus 37d. You know it, n minus 1, 37d. A plus 18d, 18d, 37d. Their sum is 55d. 56 minus 1. By their sum we can solve this problem, by their subtraction also we can solve this problem, but their sum makes this problem easier. That's why we have to add them together and solve the problem. Okay? Now, here what we have here, T19 is equals to 52 and T38 is equals to 128. We know. What we know, will you tell me? Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, T19 is equals to a plus 19 minus 1 into d. What is the value of T19? 52 is equals to a plus 18 d. This is equation number 1. Similarly, what we can write similarly? T38 is equals to a plus 38 minus 1 into d. What is the value of T38? 128, which is equals to a plus 37 d. It is equation number 2. Already we decided to add them together. Adding 1 and 2. We are going to add them together. Okay? Now let me write it to that side. 52 is equals to a plus 18 d. 128 is equals to a plus 37 d. What is their sum? 55d. 2a 081 180 means 2a plus 55d is equals to 180, and it is number 3. We got the sum. Now what we want to find? S56. With the help of which formula we can find it? Sn formula. What is it? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is S56? 56 by 2. 2a. 2a as it is plus 56 minus 1 into d as it is. We don't have any value. S56 is equals to 28 is their division. 2a plus 55d. Will you tell me what is the value of 2a plus 55d? It is 180. So we just have to substitute it. S56 is equals to 28 into 180. Here you can write from 3. From 3 we substituted that value. Now 28 zeros are 0, 28 8s are 8 8s are 224. Okay, 22 go carry, 28 ones are 28 and it is 50. So yes, 56. Now you can write your answer statement like, therefore the sum of first 56 terms of the given arithmetic progression is 5040. Dear friends, fifth question is activity based question, which is very easy. So I want you to solve that question by your own. I am explaining sixth question. What that sixth question is about. The sum of first 55 terms of an arithmetic progression is 3300. You must be able to write whatever given in the sentence form. You must be able to write it in a mathematical form. Okay? So sum of first 55 terms is 3300. Then they are asking you to find the 20th term of that arithmetic progression. Now you can look at the board. S55, n minus 1 into d means 54d. What it will be? 54d. And 2a plus 54d you will get here. Okay? And it is T28 means 27. 27. 2a and 54, what is common? 2 is common. Right? If you take that 2, what will remain? Here a plus 27. We will solve and then see. So here S55 is equals to 3300. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know Sn's formula. Substitute S55 here. S55 is equals to 55 by 2 into, now what I have to do? 2a as it is plus 55 minus 1 into this d. Is it hard? No. What is the sum of 55 terms? 3300. 55 by 2 into the bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1. Let me write 54d. I should add them together, right? So 2a plus 54d. Now what is common in between them? Taking common is nothing but dividing both of them by the same number and writing quotient into the bracket. Okay? So 3300. I can also send this 2 to the left and 55 to the down. Okay? But we will wait. 55 by 2. Now I am taking 2 as a common from both of them. If I divided 2a by 2, a will remain, plus 54 by 2, 27, d will remain. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. They will get cancelled, no issue about it. Now I will write that side 3300 by 55, which is equal to, if I am sending this 55 to the left, what is remaining to the right? A plus 27d. Now you must be getting, a plus 27d is the form of this one. So whatever their quotient is going to be the 28th term. Very good. 11 5s are, 11 3s are, and 2 more zeros. 5 1s are, 5 6s are, and 0. A plus 27d is equals to 60, and it is number 1, as we have not used any number here. Now we want to find 20th term with the help of Tn. A plus n minus 1 into d. T28 is equals to a plus 28 minus 1 into d as it is. T28 a plus 27d. What is the value of a plus 27d? Will you tell me? 60. With the help of what we are saying? From 1. This is how we can find the 20th term if the sum of 55 terms of the same arithmetic progression is given. Okay? Hey friends, 7th question. In an arithmetic progression, 3 consecutive terms, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Then find those terms. Before explaining this question, I want to explain something to you. As they are saying, sum of 3 consecutive terms. We don't know about the terms, but we know there are 3 consecutive terms. We have many such kind of questions in which either they will be giving you 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6, whatever it is. But if they are giving odd number of terms, what we have to do? And if they are giving even number of terms, what we have to do? Because every time, I don't think in examination they are going to suggest you the terms to be taken. They are not going to suggest you. Here in the example they are suggesting. But in main examinations, it is not necessary that they will be suggesting you to take the a minus d as a first term, a as a second, a plus d as a third. So for even odd number of terms I will explain. Odd number of terms. Whenever you have to observe it very attentively. So, odd number of terms. If there are the odd number of terms. When there are the odd number of terms, the difference between the two consecutive terms should be of 1D. 1D, and middle term should be A. What should be the middle term? A. Now my middle term is A. If we are talking about three terms, suppose number 1, 3 terms. Which one will be the middle term? Second term. It is my middle term. A is always going to be the middle term for odd number of terms. A is the middle term. First term will lie to the left and next term will lie to the right. So if the difference is of D, then definitely it must be A plus D. A is increasing by D. But in the previous term, A should be decreasing by D. So it is like A minus D. That's it. Is it hard? No. Acha chalo. Number 2. 5 terms. 5 is also an odd number. 5 terms. This is the middle term. What is the sequence of this term? Will you tell me? Out of 5. Out of 5, 1, 2, 3. Third is a middle term. Right? So here it is the third term. What will be the fourth? A plus D. What will be the fifth? A plus one more D you have to add 2D. Similarly, you have to subtract 1D here. So A minus D. Again from this D you have to subtract one more D. A minus 2D. This is the way we can consider those terms. If they are saying there are 5 consecutive terms, then we have to be considering, let those terms be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. But it goes easy by considering A as a middle term and rest of the terms as it is. Okay? What if the number of terms are even? Right? Even number of terms. Even number of terms means how many terms can be there? 2 terms can be there, or 4 terms can be there, or 6 terms can be there. SIX, okay, no issue. 2 terms are there. In case of odd number of terms, we were keeping the distance, or we were maintaining the difference of 1D. In case of even number of terms, we have to maintain the difference of 2D. We have to maintain the difference of 2D. Okay? A minus D is going to be the first term. Always A minus D is going to be the first term. Not first term, but it should be, there is no middle term in it. That's why we are going to start with A minus D, then to the right and then to the left and then to the right and so on. So, 2 terms, A minus D is 1, A minus D, no issue. If you increase it by 2D, what will happen? I will show it. A minus D plus 2D. I already told you to maintain the difference of 2D here. So, A minus D is the first term. Second term, A minus D plus 2D. What will happen then? Minus D plus 2D, only plus D will remain, only plus D. So these are the 2 terms. For 4 number of terms, A minus D, A plus D, we don't have any doubt about it. Increase it by 2D, it will be A plus 3d, and decrease it by 2d, a minus 3d. And the same thing you have to do with the sixth one. You can write it by your own. Okay? Why we have to do so, I will tell you while solving this question. Now look at the board. Sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. 3 consecutive terms. So you can say, let those terms be a minus d, a plus d, right? Then sum of them is 27. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d is equals to 27. Now you can see, if you add them together, a positive, negative d and positive d. Because of this kind of arrangement, a minus d, a plus d, d always going to get cancelled if they are telling you or giving you sum of all of them is this much. Only for that sake we are taking those terms like this. So dd get cancelled, 3a will remain 27, a is equals to 27 by 3, which is equal to, a is not first term in this question. A is not first term. Who is the first term? A minus d. Don't consider a as a first term now. Okay? Now, what we have to do? Second condition, their product is 504. Where is 504? There is 504. Okay? So, a minus d, a plus d, which is equals to 504. Will it be okay if I write a minus d and a plus d together and a beside? Yes, I can write because it is commutative. Even if I change the position or arrangement, then also product will remain same. A minus d, a plus d, and a to the this side, 504. No issue, it is easy. Now I am continuing the same thing to that side. A minus d. What is the value of a if we want to substitute? 9. 9 minus d, 9 plus d into 9. I can send that 9 to the right side if I want to. This a to the right side. Achha, I will write for a while here into 9, which is equals to 504, and then a plus d, a minus d, 9 plus d, 9 minus d, a square minus b square. What is a square? 81. What is b square? Minus d square, which is, and this 9 I am sending to the right side. 504 by 9. 9 ones are, 9 fives are, 9 sixes are. Over. Now 81 minus d square is equals to 56. D square to the right and 56 to the left. D square is equals to 81 minus, he is going to the right, that's why he is changing to the positive, and he is coming to the left, he is changing to the negative. D square is equals to 11 minus 6, 5. It is 7 minus 5, 2. D square is 25. D square is equals to plus minus 5 whole square. Because the square of 5 is 25, square of minus 5 is also 25. So, what is D? Either positive or a negative 5. We are not confirmed whether it is positive or a negative, but what if it is positive and what if it is negative, we can tell. Okay? This is D. Now will you tell me what was the first term? First term was a minus d. First term was a minus d. If, now let me write, for a is equals to 9, d is equals to 5. I am taking d as a positive in this case. Okay. Then first term is equals to, what it will be? A minus d. A minus d. 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. What is the second term? Only a, which is equal to 9. What is the third term? A plus d, which is equals to 9 plus 5, which is equals to 14. What is their sum? 14, 9, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. And their product must be 504. But one more question arising into your mind. What if d is negative? What if d is negative? Then those rearrange. There will be a rearrangement into the terms. Now look at it. For d is equals to minus 5, a is equals to 9. First term is equals to a minus d. A minus d is equal to 9 minus of minus 5, which is equals to 14. I am directly writing because of lack of space. Negative, negative, positive. 9 plus 5, 14. Okay. Second term a, which is equal to 9. Third term a plus d, which is equals to, what was a? 9 plus minus 2, sorry, minus, what is d? 5. Minus 5, which is equals to 4. So, if d is positive, the terms are 4, 9, 14, and if d is negative, the terms are 14, 9, 4. They are getting reversed. This is all about it. Now, observe this question. If is there any difficulty, observe the whole video again. No issue about it. Okay? In 8th question, they are saying the sum of 4 consecutive terms is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Then find those terms. And they have suggested the terms in the question itself. But now I am considering that they have not suggested anything and we will follow the way I was telling you, right? So here for 4 terms I have already told you to consider a minus d, a plus d. These are the 2 terms. The gap of 2d is there in between them. To the left 2d and to the right 2d. To the right plus 2d, to the left minus 2d. Okay? So here let those terms be a minus d, a plus d. To the right 2d, a plus 3d. To the left 2d, a minus. Let those terms be, these are those terms. Is it easy to understand? Okay, chalo. According to condition, what is the condition 1? Condition 1 is that their sum is 12, right? Okay, so a minus, a minus 3d plus, directly you can write as there is the sum, no need to use the brackets, a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d. Their sum, you look at the board, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. I am adding them every time together, okay, which is equal to 12. As I already told you, in this kind of adjustment, d's are going to get cancelled if they are telling or giving that sum of all terms is given. D definitely is going to get cancelled. Minus 3d plus 3d, minus d plus d. what will remain? 1, 2, 3, 4a is equal to 12. A is equals to, we found A. Now you can write according to condition 2. What is condition 2, will you tell me? Condition 2, sum of third and fourth term. Which one is the third term? A plus D plus A plus 3D is 14. All terms sum is 12 and last two terms sum is 14, means there must be a negative term into it. Okay. A plus A, 2A plus 4D is equals to, but now we know the value of A. What is it? 3. We can substitute it. 2 into 3. I will write to that side. 2 into 3 plus 4D, which is equal to 14. What is the reason here? A is equals to 3. You can write. Now 6 plus 4D is equals to 14. 4D is equals to 14 minus 6 is 8. D is equals to 2. It is simply 2, not positive negative 2. Now here you can write for A is equal to 3, D is equal to 2. Will you tell me what is our first term? Is it our first term? No. What is our first term? A minus 3D. So first term, you have to write it properly. First term, A minus 3D. Substitute the values. A 3 minus 3 into D 2. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Easy. Second term. Only A minus D. A is 3 and D is 2, which is equal to 1. Third term, A plus D, which is equals to 3 plus 2, which is 5. Fourth term, A plus 3D. A is what? 3. D is what? 2. 3 times 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 3, 9. Now add all of them together. 9 plus 5, 14, plus 1, 15, plus minus 3, 12. Sum of all of them is 12. Sum of last of them is 14. And very easily it is satisfying the condition. I want you to observe the board once. If is there any difficulty, observe the video again. Time of this exercise is little bit tricky one. So here what is given? If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. 29th term is twice the 19th term. So whatever is given, we will just approach it and follow it. So here T9 is equal to 0. How we can find any term? With this formula, n minus 1 into D. Then T9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Its value is 0, which is given to us. A plus 8D. A plus 8D is equal to 0. So if I send this D to the left, A is equals to minus 8D. This is the relation between A and D. Now what they are saying, they are asking us to prove 29th term is twice the 19th term. So we will write about the 19th term. Now T19 is equals to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. T19 is equals to A plus 18D. But what is the value of A we found? Minus 8D. T19 is equals to minus 8D plus 18D, which is equal to 10D. T19 is how much? T19 is equal to 10D. Now we will write about 29D, T29. Therefore, now T29 is equals to A plus 20, 9 minus 1 into D. T29 is equals to A plus 28D. T29, I am saying 29, writing 28. Okay, T29 is equal to, what is the value of A? Minus 8D plus 28D. Here I should write A is equals to minus 8D. And here also I should write A is equals to minus 8D. I should write. Okay. Then T29 is equals to, what is their subtraction? 20D. I can also write it like 2 into 10D. What is 10D? 10D is the value of T19. So 2 times of T19. Therefore, the 29th term of this arithmetic progression is 2 times the 19th term. Dear friends, subscribe the channel if you like the video.